Hello and welcome to Glenn's Small Engine in Greenville, Texas, home of the free repair videos for outdoor power equipment. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix the rewind on your mower. The rope just broke. I'm going to show you how to put a new rope in it. On this mower, the first thing you're going to do is take these 3 screws out and pull the starter off. Alright, we'll take our starter over to the workbench where we can work on it. Okay, we got our starter off the mower and on the workbench here. There's our old rope. We've got our new rope here. I'm going to take this screw out. There's our knot on our old rope right there. We're going to dig this old rope out. There's the other end of it. You want to be very careful when you're dealing with these little springs because they're dangerous. They'll jump out and hit you. Our spring and all looks okay. We're going to oil it a little bit with some WD-40 here. We're going to put just a little bit of grease on that for the spool. Okay. Now we're going to run our rope back through this hole here, just like that. Reach down in here and pull it out just like that. Then we're going to tie a knot in it, just like that. Pull it back through. Now we're going to go ahead and bolt this piece back down with this screw here. Our rope just broke, so all our spring and all that stuff's okay. There's no use to take the spring out. Okay, all that seems to be working good and loose. Okay, there's a little notch right here. And we're going to walk around here and pull our rope back up through that notch right there. Okay, now we're going to start winding our spring up just like this. We're going to wind our spring up the way that the rope pulls out. Wind it up until you feel it start to tighten up. Don't go too far with it or you'll break the spring. Just keep going with it. And whenever you feel it start to bind up a little bit, right about there it's starting to bind up. So we want to back it off a full turn from right there. And now we're going to run our rope back up through this hole. The reason you back it off a turn there is because when you pull the rope out, you don't want the spring to bottom out. You want the rope to bottom out first. You don't want to use your spring all the way up. You need a little more give left in that spring. Otherwise, when you pull the rope all the way out, you'll break the spring. Alright, we're ready to put our old handle back on. We're just going to take this rope out of the old handle like that. Run this rope back up through your new handle, just like that. Tie a knot in it. Just like so. Bend this thing back down over where it was there. There you go. Your starter's ready to go back on your mower. For more free videos, visit my website at smallinch.com. To ensure that these videos stay up and free for everyone, small donations are appreciated. Thank you very much, and we'll see you next time.